I've just been monitoring the line to see the questions coming in, and we have a number of questions that have come in. The first one is, what inspired the name Spirit? Perhaps I'm just going to rope in Paul. Paul, do you want to talk through why Spirit and what it means and the relation to the product?
Yeah, sure. Thanks, Robin, and it's a great question. It's always a bit of a process when it comes to naming decors and naming finishes. What word is going to sum up the visual and physical characteristics of a finish? And we chose Spirit. And I think that what it came down to is that this finish, it really embodies the true spirit of real wood. It has real movement. It has real contrast. It has the effect of real wood pores. And as Robin mentioned, and I think a common theme through the presentation, it embodies the spirit of luxury, while at the same time its movement is not really anything that we've ever seen before in our industry. The movement and the contrast really is inspired by the spirit of Italian craftsmanship and Italian walnut structures. So I think Spirit is really a descriptive word that describes this finish.
Paul, another question. Can this product be used for outdoor furniture?
I'd love to say yes, but unfortunately not. All particle board and MDF substrate products are only suitable for interior applications.
And the lifespan of the product? Other question.
The lifespan of the product, as you know, melamine surfaces are designed to last, and so once you install a quality, Innovis decorative panel in your home, there is actually no official number for the lifespan of the product, but we do see products in use anything from 10 to 20 years and more. I think we still have decors such as Cherry Royale in the marketplace, which have been in the marketplace for many years and still continue to perform well.
Thanks, Paul. I've got another set of questions here that are more related to the product and availability. So the first one is, when do orders open? The orders open as of today to those customers that are on the line, and if you're looking to make a purchase, there's our sales team, the key account managers will reach out to you with the price lists, and you can place the orders immediately. There is a limit on orders that can be placed per invoicing entity or per branch, just to allow as many customers to accept the products in the first round. And once that's done from November onwards, you can place as much as you require. The next one is, what is the price of these decors? The price of the decor, this one is a luxury wood grain that we are launching. It is at our highest price point, and it is on MDF. So everything about it is premium and is luxury, and so it will be higher than the stucco prices that we have, and those prices will be released today in the market. Why is it not available on PV? As we mentioned, it is available on MDF only. I think the feel of the high quality wood grain on MDF adds more value to it, and for the consumer, the weight of the board as you open a higher density MDF door adds to that premium. Is edging available? Yes, it is generally available with the stockists. It should be no problem. And then, do you have stock? And the answer to that is yes, we do. We have already produced all the stock for this launch. It is in our warehouses, and we now wait for the orders to come through, and dispatch will be very swift.